to be some compromise in some of the safety measures that would normally be expected to create a vaccine because time is so crucial.
Well, of course, if you want to wait and see if a side effect shows up 2 years later, that takes 2 years. So whenever you're acting quickly, like during the HIV crisis, they created a quick way of getting drug approval. There is a trade-off there. In that case, it worked super, super well. And here, we will, I think, be able to get some safety indications, but this is a public good. And so, those trade-offs, the government's working on a cooperative basis will be involved in the decision to say, hey, the regulator says go ahead, even though you haven't taken the normal time period.
Paper just came out. They found that infants, 2-month-old infants, if they got all 6 of the CDC recommended vaccines compared to the unvaccinated, they suffered about a 68% increased odds of dying in the following month compared to the unvaccinated. So it appears that not only, and so there's been 12 studies now comparing vaccinated to unvaccinated. All 12 found the same thing. Vaccinated individuals are far sicker. They have more chronic disease, more autoimmune disease, more neurodevelopmental disorders, more autism, more speech delays, speech disorders, more tics, more skin disorders, and everything under the sun. And we recently expanded on that in a reanalysis of the Henry Ford study, finding that all 22 chronic disease categories were higher in the vaccinated children. So we have now chronic disease elevations as well as mortality elevations. So this is very serious. We have to start talking about it and replicating this in other states.